Hello, it is me you're looking for. You clicked on this video today because you are one of two people. You are person A. You are dying for change with your hair. You really want a color change. Maybe you want some highlights. You're looking to be blonde or lighter or darker, but you're afraid. You're worried about what the color will do to your curls. I was just like you. There's also person B. Person B took the plunge. They did it anyways. They went out, they bleached their hair, and then they lost everything. Their curls were destroyed, their hair was dead, and they were traumatized. You may be sitting here wondering, how can I have the best of both worlds? You want to have a different hair color, but you do not want to risk the health of your hair. Well, look at me, kids. I am someone with bleached hair and healthy curls. So today I'm gonna bring you through my journey of how I got from these dark brown curls, my natural hair, to where I am today. Healthy, luscious, blonde, and beautiful. Now, taking care of hair color is not just what you do after the process, but before. So in this video, I'm going to bring you through all of the steps that I take before my color process and after to ensure that my hair maintains its health. Alright, so the journey begins before you color your hair. You may have already considered what color you want to be, but have you considered who the hell is going to have the right to put their hands on your head? The biggest mistake that people could make isn't that they decide to put color on their hair, but it's that they choose the wrong person to do it. Some people will walk into any salon that they see and trust the first person that they have a consultation with. Your consultation should be a full interview process. I've already created a video on how to trust your hairstylist, and it basically goes through the consultation process. So the number one was that you have your photo in mind and you have consulted with a stylist that you know you can trust to do this color process on you. Step number two is when you prepare your hair for the process. So this is what I do before I color my hair. This is the day before. Now, a lot of people don't know this. They will show up to a color appointment with filthy hair, thinking, oh, you know, I knew I was gonna get my hair done, so I didn't want to wash it. Whatever's in your hair could have a chemical reaction with the color. So I like to go in to the color appointment with clean hair. For example, during a lightening process using bleach or high lift color, your hair breaks down the protein in it. Therefore, it's going to be weaker. It's going to be lacking protein. This is the protein treatment that I do in my hair. It's the damage remedy. So basically how I use this treatment is it replaces my conditioner for the wash day. So after I cleanse, I apply the protein treatment. I let this sit on for at least 5 minutes or as long as needed. It's not a leave-in, so after the time, I rinse it out. So now your hair has been cleansed, it's been treated, and it's fortified and ready for the color. Before going to your appointment, there's nothing worse than when your stylist has to fight through your curls and they're brushing through, trying to manage what's on the head. So go in with a protective style. This would be step 3. I like to leave my hair in braids or in twists or some kind of style that's going to keep it tangled free so that when I get to the salon, it's easy to manage, there's not going to be any breakage, and they'll be able to get through my hair and get the job done quicker. So now you've fully prepared yourself for the appointment. Today is the day. You're in the salon, you discuss with your stylist again what's going to be happening. They're going to give you recommendations. They're going to tell you what is realistic for your hair today because it could take several processes to get your hair to your end goal. I myself didn't get as blonde as I am today in one process, so you just need to keep that in mind when you are at the appointment. Several hours later. Okay, so the hair color process happens. After that rinses out, I will have the stylist put a treatment on my hair at the sink immediately. This is where you can do either a protein treatment again, or in salon they have bond builders. Treatments that I have used in the past have been Olaplex, which is a bond builder. This isn't a protein treatment, it's not a moisture treatment, so it's not going to tackle any of those issues that I have. However, it does keep the bonds of your hair intact to prevent any kind of breakage. Especially with the curls, they tend to loosen after a color appointment. Even me, right after a color appointment, your hair goes through a bit of shock, which is why you want to do that treatment immediately in salon to strengthen it before you even leave. So that's right after the color is done. I'll ask my stylist to do an Olaplex treatment. Now that we come back to the chair and it's time for styling, they're going to give me the option. Do you want to straighten your hair today, blow it out, leave it natural? What would you do? Think about it. You just had color processing done to your hair. Sure, you're in salon now, it's nice to kind of leave feeling different, but do you want to put any kind of heat to your hair immediately after color? Let me get that for you. No! You're gonna leave your hair natural. For the next few weeks after doing a color process, I do the most low manipulation styles. I'm talking wash and goes, I finger coil if needed, and I leave my hair. So at the salon, I tell them, no. Today I'm going to be leaving my hair natural, please, and thank you, thank you. And that's it. You go home, you give your hair a break, and when it comes to washing your hair at home, boom! Now your color is fresh, you're feeling fine. You wish your hair could stay this fresh forever. I know I do when I freshly get my roots done. So what you're gonna need to do is maintain your hair at home so that your color can stay fresh and so that your hair can stay healthy. If you had a color service, you're going to want to use a color treated hair shampoo and conditioner. So I'll show you what I use. I use Aveda's Color Conserve. They have a shampoo and a conditioner. It's gentle cleansing. It just helps to prevent your hair from rinsing out of its color. Even though your hair wasn't necessarily colored, you feel, and you're like, oh no, my hair got bleached, it's lighter, there's a 99.9% chance that your hair has a toner on it to make that blonde look pretty. You don't want that color to wash out and have yellow, orangey, nasty hair after. That's why you use color preserving shampoos and conditioners. Now what else? That's just washing, but what about treating your hair? Alright everybody, now this is the real kicker. This is the answer to the question that I get asked 1,000 times a day. How do you maintain your hair after being blonde? And that's what I'm going to show you guys today. This is what I do in between my color appointments. Now after the shampoo and conditioner, you have two options. Remember, you want to be strengthening your hair. So you can use your protein treatment again, or for example, Olaplex. This is the take-home version. This is the treatment I'm going to show you guys how to use today. It's done on dirty hair, so I'm not going to wash my hair. All that I have in my hair right now is a leave-in conditioner. That's all I had styled with. This looks pretty good. So I'm going to rinse out my hair, apply this on my damp hair, and let that sit. So now that my hair is all wet down, I'm going to apply my Olaplex. So I'll take a little bit to start. So I thoroughly apply the Olaplex all over my head. I make sure that every section is reached. Then I will proceed to comb through my hair so it really saturates everywhere. And I'll clip my hair up and leave it in for at least 15 minutes. So this will be my weekly routine where I can switch up my Olaplex and my protein treatments. I just make sure that at least once a week I am deep conditioning my hair. Now if you follow all of these steps, your color should last you at least a good 8 weeks before your roots start looking too crazy. If you've never colored your hair before, this is all going to be very new to you. Just keep in mind that your routine is going to change. Whatever worked for you before is probably not going to work for you now. And that's it. That's exactly what I do. It's what I've been doing since I started going blonde. You can see how blonde I am now compared to what my natural color was. And for it to have gone through all of this processing and maintained its health, there's obviously a reason. So before you get your color done, make sure you have watched this video, review the pre-color steps and the post-color steps, and you will succeed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new today. I'm gonna go finish off my Olaplex, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Move over. Seriously. Welcome to my lair. Why am I sitting on a bed? I look like a douchebag. I should stand up. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Welcome to my lair. This is my hair.
No, I don't like how that makes sense.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Hello. What the fuck? Return it. Whoa. What am I gonna do? Hi guys, and welcome to the Mains by Mell show. That's why you get these things, to make you look like you're cool. And it sounds better. Right. Yes, no. Maybe so. Fuck! No! It's pulling the sweater. No. Amanda, I need help. I like this one. Oh, fuck off.
What's up?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Well, now that my sweater's ruined, so was my day. But,
Where should you put it?
it's not about me right now. Shut up. I'm here for you guys. Let me just figure out how to deal with this new thing, technology, and then we're gonna get into hair color. Un momento, por favor.
Feet are so dirty.
No, they're not.
Lift them. They're so dirty and they're on my bed.
People wear shoes in the house, okay? It could be worse.